in Beals Gap back in the 90s. There's only a few motorcycles. There's no leaves on the trees. You can see through the whole road. You don't have to worry about any traffic. I thought there was only one car ahead of me. That dude's gonna kill himself. Or I'm gonna kill myself. Either way, I'm okay. My wife's gonna throw my ashes off the Cherryhala Skyway anyway, so I'll still be here. I've got it in my trust. Everybody's got a little Econobox race car, don't they? Whoa, what is this nonsense? At least he pulled off, so I'll give him that. But the first weekend in October, there's a hunter. The first weekend in October is pretty busy in the mountains. Everywhere I've gone today, it's busy. Everybody has their little spring fling going on today. All the churches got their yard sales set up out in the front yard. The folk school in Brasstown, North Carolina, they have their pot smoking art festival this weekend. John C. Campbell Folk School, Google that if you want to have something to do when you're in this area. Like and subscribe. You can't even see what the sign says. I gotta say, this has been a pretty good run today. That's the curve that I came up on and the dude had crashed into a minivan. I think that was the one time I didn't have a camera going through here. You don't know what you're going to see. If you got a camera, you should always be running it on this road. Last time through, there was a Harley in the opposite ditch. This time, a car on its roof, 60 feet off the side of the mountain. .129 Photos should do a better job with their social media. They post the lamest pictures. Why am I slowing down? Alright, welcome to North Kakalaki. Some people need mirrors. And this guy in front of me needs a tune. I'm being asphyxiated right now.